Everybody, I want to tell you about my new Ultenic Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner I just got in. It's going to run off rechargeable batteries and last up to 90 minutes at a time. And the first thing you see when you open the box is a quick startup guide. So let's take it out of the box and get it put together and see how it works. Okay, so your simple accessories. This is where you will charge it up. When it's green, it's good. When the light turns red, you'll know it needs to charge, and make sure that part stays dry. You're going to remove this little cap, and right here you're going to attach your float ball. And also in your accessories, you're going to get 2 extra wheels if you ever need them down the road. So now we're going to do the on button. You hear the beep. All right, here goes. Put him in the water. There he goes. He's thinking. It does say that this works on flat surfaces, so when it's on an incline or comes near a wall, it does stop for a second, and then it'll turn and come in a different direction. Man, he's moving fast. Look at that. See, he's not going to climb the wall, so he's going to think for a minute, then he'll turn around and start going back the other way. See if he gets some of my leaves. All right, you see that? Look like he picked up my leaves. And there's the float ball that follows him. So when his battery runs out, he's going to come to the wall and park himself. And then you'll be able to pick up that float ball and pick him up out of the water. Okay, I put some leaves on the ground, on the bottom. Let's see how he does. Hey, look at that. He got him. Nice. So this is going to be great if you've got leaves on the bottom of your pool. But remember, he's not going to go up on the sides. And there were 2 little brushes that you inserted on the bottom. Okay, so I was inside, and as you can see, he came up to the wall, and his light is red, so he's letting you know he needs more power. So I'm just going to grab that little float ball and pick him up. Okay, so I've got it turned off, and I'm going to go ahead and take my float ball off and put the cap back on. And it's really important to clean your filter right after each use, because you don't want the dry debris to get in there because it could clog it up. So on each end, you're going to have these little tabs. You're just going to unclip them, And then on each side, you're going to feel this. And as you kind of pull them outward, you're just going to lift straight up. And that's going to take your housing off. And you can see this little filter. And look at all this that it took out. It did a good job. So I'm going to clean this out. Look at all that. I'm going to clean this out and lightly spray my filter and clean it all up. And then after that, I'm just going to put it back together and I'll be good to go and get it charged up for the next time. So this is a thumbs up product.